Good morning, students. We'll start now. I hope you started working on your internship. So either you are preparing a report or you have enrolled for courses on EDX and Coursera. So this is you are doing for second year internships, right? Now you have to do internship in third year also. Okay, so regarding that, we have one opportunity provided by AICTE. Okay, so if you go to AICTE internship portal, okay, so we have ample internships opportunities here, around 5 lakhs plus internships, and it includes internships for all kinds of students. Then here the company names are listed. So I will give you one example. Okay, so if I go to corporate internships, okay, so here you can see first is training of maintenance of distribution transformer. So I think it is related to electrical engineering. So you look for the internship which is related to your domain, your area of interest. Okay, so if you are interested in cloud technology, so what you have to look for, you have to look for virtual internship duration. We need at least 1 month duration, so 2 months duration is fine. Virtual internship is necessary because you cannot go personally there, right? Okay, and apply by, okay, so still the deadline is not over, so you can apply for this internship. You can see the details from here. Those who have done Cisco internship, they are familiar with this portal. Okay, so you are not getting any stipend, okay, but some companies are providing stipend. So here who can apply, so check your eligibility from here. So second year and third year engineering students who are willing to learn and explore information security stream, okay, and see the openings, 10,000 openings are there. Okay, so there are good chances of getting internship here. Okay, so and there are internship in many areas. Okay, I saw opportunities Java, networking, security, AI/ML. Okay, so then Linux. Okay, so according to your area of interest, you choose and apply. So this will be your internship for third year. Any doubt? If you need any information from college, we will provide you, like letter of recommendation or any information. Okay, first you have to register on this portal. Okay, then after login, click on this apply now button. Today's lecture is actually a tutorial, and we haven't solved any numericals. So today's class will be very short one. We'll discuss only one concept today. Students, I am facing a technical issue, so will not conduct a class today. Okay, you may leave the meeting. Just mark your attendance